When every tear is an ocean and every hurt is a mountain and every cry is a siren, hope's halfway to dying, where do we run? When the bullets are flying and the bombs keep on falling, when there's fear all around me and it feels like we're drowning, where do we run? Lord, we will wait on you. Yes, we will wait on you. You are still on your throne, still in control. Lord, we will wait on you. Yes, we will wait. And we've all gone astray, so we humble our hearts and let down our guards. We're seeking your face. It's like the whole world's got a cancer and we die a little more every day. And all the while there's an answer, and it's staring us right in the face. Oh yeah, and Lord, we will wait on you. Yes, we will wait on you. You are still on your throne, still in control. Lord, we will wait on you. Yes, we will wait. The heavens will part, the trumpet will sound, the sun will shine dim as your glory shines down. All knees will bow, every tongue will proclaim that you through sickness and pain, through trials we face, through war and through loss, we won't lose faith with